Hi, welcome to Bonnie's Fashion Buzz. And today it's my 30th fashion show and educational segment on how to put your wardrobe together. It's Monday, and I felt like today I wanted to create a little sparkle to your week. So it starts with my golden rules to dress by. BLT. B, build your wardrobe with classic pieces, which I'm wearing all black as my basic. L, liven your wardrobe with fun novelty items. Here we go with a beautiful Swarovski crystal and pearl necklace. And T, tweak your wardrobe with touches of color. And today I decided to use silver as my color. And I was requested to do silver and black. Hi, Judy, I think you might have been the one. So, hi, Allison. I'm gonna show you, I'm wearing just a very simple, silvery, iridescent, lightweight silk jacket, little collarless cardigan jacket. But it's all basic black. You could be wearing black jeans, black lovely silk pants, palazzo pants, a black sheath dress. In this case, I'm just wearing a little floaty skirt and tank top, and throw on a little silver jacket. Go take a peek in your closet, see what you've got. I can do these custom. And then we've got this one-of-a-kind fabulous necklace that can also be worn multiple ways, with a pair of vintage earrings that have crystal. And I'm wearing my little French beret today because I haven't had my hair cut or colored in 2 months. But what the hell, I love this. Okay, I feel very French. So then you could end up taking a little vintage evening bag like this on a trip. All these pieces pack into like a little carry-on bag, and you could go away for a few weeks. And this has just got a little silver handle, and that, I think, can just set off the outfit. Look at this. And then if you want to change it up, you can take off the jacket, take off this gorgeous necklace, and end up cinching your waist in, if you want, with just a leather silver braided belt. It has no buckle, so it's just kind of a self belt. Doesn't take away from your earrings. I can wear my little beret, and it wouldn't be too much to have just this simple silver belt around my waist. And of course, I love featuring my koi fish out of silicone and silk chiffon in silver and black. And you can wear that numerous ways. Just hanging. People say, how do I wear a scarf? I said, you don't have to do anything with these. They just have a body and a weight to them. Here's the eyes of the fish. Here's the tail of the fish. And you can just wear it like this. If you want to cover the neck, which I always like to do. You can wear it like that. And then I'm going to take off the little chapeau, the little beret, and show off these fabulous earrings. I designed these earrings. They come in gold or silver, but today we're featuring silver. Hi, Gina. Love you. Love showing your bags. Hi, Carl. Hi, Carl. Don't know whether you're still down here. Send my love to your wife. Okay, so that's a whole other look. You've got these fabulous earrings that have certainly a silver sparkle to them. And I do have them where they're just with one ring, too, if you can't wear a long earring. I happen to like long earrings, and I like wearing it with this scarf. Okay, so that's the other look I wanted to feature. And then I have this vintage bracelet that's done with, it's all hand woven out of this beautiful kind of silver yarn. It's all hand done with jet black stone in here. It's lined in leather. I mean, this is something you'd see at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. And boy, does that make an outfit. Just that alone. You know, I'm wearing this little cinched in belt that's woven too. A bracelet like that, great earrings, and that will take you out, make you stand out. Okay. Then I want to share this wonderful piece that's reversible. It's roses. I kind of have a floral thing going in between today with the silvers. I want to just hold this up for you. It's got two giant holes. It's almost like a cape. And it's reversible fabric. You can wear it on the silver and black side or the black with the silver side. And so in this case, I'm going to put the holes so they're a little closer to the top and just put my arm in it like this. And you've got this really great looking fan collar like that. I'm going to take the belt off. You don't even need a belt with this. And you can wear this simply by letting it just drape on its own. It's just a great travel piece. Or you could take it and put the collar up like this. And I thought it would be fun to show one of these wonderful pins that I have that are done out of 100 of these little springs with silver tips. It's instead of a flower pin. So I just thought it kind of went with the theme of the whole day. And I think that that would be an interesting piece. Or you can just wear it completely open. I mean, this is one of the most creative shapes that I've ever shown. And then you can wear a pin like that on the lapel. That's a great look. Hi, Al. I'm trying to think who else is here. Allison. Okay, I see everybody. And then you can turn it this way. And now you've gone into a whole other direction. Now it's like a little shorter. Instead of like a coat length, it's a jacket length. And it has a whole other feeling. It's just marvelous. I love the way this drapes. And then I want to put on these earrings because I think it kind of works with it. These are vintage mother of pearl with marcasites. And they're inlaid in sterling. Hi, Linda. I haven't seen you. I think you're in from California. Happy to have you. Hi, Blanche. Okay, so there you go. She's just across the intercoastal. Great to have you. So this is a special piece. And again, you can wear it on this side or this side. This is very Chanel-like. I have an artist who makes these. They're all hand done. This is woven the same way the Chanel jackets are. And then we ended up having sequins put into the yarn. So you have a little pop of silver sparkles throughout the whole thing. And then this is actually satin roses that have been all hand done and sewn as the collar and the edging of the lapel and the pockets. And I just think this is something, and we can make it 3/4 length, coat length, or jacket length. And I've had a few clients order it and say, gee, I just don't want any pockets. I feel it has enough going without the pockets around the breast pockets. No problem. We can do it any way you want. I think it looks particularly good with these earrings. And then I have this vintage bag from Italy that's all lucite. And look at how this sets it off. And you could be wearing a pair of dress slacks. You could be wearing a dress, a simple black sheath dress. I'm just wearing a little floaty skirt. But look at that. What a great look. Hi, Phyllis. Nice to have you. I think you're in Las Vegas. Oh my God, I got people from all over the country. Okay. So the next look that I want to share with you is an organza all French seamed. Just trying to see which way it's so beautifully done. It's hard to see which way to put it on. It's just like a little lightweight organza coat. It's got these beautiful detailing on the sleeve. It's all French seamed. It's got this little detail of a double collar, so you can kind of play with the collar a bit. It can be worn like this, and you can wear it with a little brooch. But I love this over just a simple sheath dress again, or with black skinny leggings. Dress it up, dress it down. In this case, I'm putting on these vintage earrings that are all enamel with silver. There you go. This ring goes with it. It's got all Swarovski crystal and all netting in here. And this is another one of those things where you can wear this if you want to with this great pin. You could just put the collar here and look at that. Look at how that works. Instead of a flower pin, it's this wild looking pin by an artist out of Israel that I represent. I think that's really special. And then last but not least is this silicone. I want to show you the fabric. It's a silicone capelet. Here's all the silicone. It's all bordered in silicone. It's this beautiful floral silk. It's all bordered in silicone. Look at this. Great travel piece. This is basically how you put it on. This is your collar. And then it has no sleeves, so you could be wearing long sleeves with it, whatever. And when I used to go to Aspen, people would wear something like this with a pair of jeans, a turtleneck top, and a pair of cowboy boots. And dress it funky like that. But look at the back here. And there's butterflies. It's all beautifully done. Piece of wearable art. And speaking of art, I want you to know I've had so many requests based on the fact that I have a fine art gallery here as well as wearable art gallery, that every day I feature a little something to go with my clothing. This is an artist that I know for years who does flowers. She does them in oils and she does them in prints. And I thought, oh gosh, I have to show how my art, my wearable art, and my fine art goes side by side here. Isn't that great? Just fun. But this you can end up wearing like this, or you can tie it in the front to give yourself a little shape like that, and just have this loose. And I want you to know that all your comments are going into my bowl. I probably have over 50 comments. I started this on May 1st. And on May 31st, I'm going to have a drawing of a $200 gift certificate towards anything that I have. And I hope that one of you get your name called on the 31st of May and get something special from me. But this has been so much fun, and a lot of my clients are booking FaceTime appointments with me and having me work in their closets to see what they have and how they can take what they own and mix it with new things from me and take my treasures to give their wardrobe a pop. And so please share me with your friends. I'm on YouTube under Bonnie Roseman's Fashion Buzz. I have my own channel every day, Monday through Friday at 3 o'clock here. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Someone actually requested black and silver. That's why I decided to start my week with this. And I love you all. And most important, feel good, but look even better. Mwah. See you tomorrow.